So today I have a 2007 Grand Marquis with 93,000 miles on it. Gas hand gauge is off. I need to get that fixed. But the reason why I'm making this video today is because my Grand Marquis has a small knocking noise on it. Trying to see if you guys can hear it. Well, it just stopped oddly. It's weird because it was just making it not too long ago. It's just like this noise, like, and it's very subtle and very low. So if you guys know exactly what that noise is, please let me know in the comments. Let me see if I can ram it up. Still nothing. Okay.